Hi, our video today is powered by Brayo and Ndarugo Mawe. Contact him for quality machine cut stones and other building materials. Now, to estimate the number of machine cut stones required for your house in Kenya, follow these steps. Number 1. Calculate the wall area. Measure the length and the height of each wall where you plan to use the stones. Multiply the length by the height to get the area of each wall in square meters. Number 2. Total wall area. Add up the areas of all the walls to get the total wall area. Number 3. Stone coverage. Determine the coverage area of each stone. This varies depending on the size and shape of the stones. For example, if each stone covers 0.025 square meters, you would divide the total wall area by this coverage to get the total number of stones needed. Number 4. Consider wastage. Account for wastage due to cutting, breakage, and irregular shapes. Typically, contractors add around 5 to 10% to the total number of stones to accommodate for this. Number 5. Windows and doors. Subtract the area of windows and doors from the total wall area before calculating the number of stones. And finally, number 6, consult professionals. For precise estimates, it's advisable to consult with a local contractor or engineer who can assess your specific requirements and provide accurate calculations based on local building practices and stone sizes. By following these steps and consulting with professionals, you can estimate the number of machine cut stones needed for your house construction in Kenya more accurately.